there's where we're at right now. And I have found these ancient decals. Not too sure that they're going to work. But there is some wonderful Pennzoils. A smart person would cover these up with a little bit of film. And I tried to be smart, so let me see if I can find that stuff. It won't take long to dry, because those decals are cool enough to preserve. Huh. Ah, up there. I see it. Liquid decal film. Restore old decals. I've used this before, and it puts a really thin film on the top of the decal. Ooh, if you don't, if you're not too rough with it. So I'm going to give Bell SDP, and I am not going to use a spectacular brush because this stuff doesn't clean out too well, if I do so recall. It's okay to get it to just slop it all around, because it'll break off where you don't. It'll break off where there's not a decal. These have got a nice weathering to them. I wonder if that weathering will pass on to the vehicle. I bet it would, because I'm looking at the STP colors and they're significantly less on that one. Yeah, might as well coat them all on here. I'll use them again, even though I can't use these. Get it all? There's some diehards. That probably ain't gonna work at all, but I'll coat them. Well, I really slopped it on there. No biggie. 95% of that dries up. Ooh, I forgot. I also have, let me set that over there to dry. I found these. These are dated 1972. And there's some more, probably of the same era. I've already got some of that on there. I'll coat this Heidelbrock and Valvoline just in case that other one doesn't take. But yeah, these are wee tiny. So I will give them a try as well. I mean, they're only 50 years old. Ooh. Yeah. It will be a miracle if they work. I'm just gonna go ahead and coat them, because I'm almost certain that they're gonna need it. Okay, while that dries, I'll head on to the other side, I guess. Work on it for a bit. That brush is garbage now. get the sled a wetting. Put a blue stripe on my water bottle. That way I can tell what it is from a distance without having to read water on the front of it. So water is blue, alcohol is red, acetone is black, mineral spirits is tan, and that's it. That's all of my main juices. I mean, I also have some wash medium, 50% glue, which is 50% water, 50% glue, which I don't use that much, and soapy water, which is good for when you're wet sanding. Squirt that in the area you want to sand. That way you don't have to keep dunking your paper in water. I don't know why that's annoying, but it could be. So that film's dry already, and I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can focus this. You can almost see where the film was. Like I said, like 95% of it evaporates. So you can slop it on there. As rough as you want it. Okay. So I've only got 4 good stickers for this side. The rest of them are going to be the, I guess they're going to be the ancient ones. They're dry now. I'll start them. Well, I have to start them next because that's all I've got. No, I don't. I've got some other ones, but one of these days, everything's gonna be alright. As long as there's sunshine and a big old balloon and little old you. Party!